Moving averages are a simple yet effective technique for smoothing out otherwise noisy data. A commonly cited example is stock market analysis, where trends can be difficult to decipher due to rapid fluctuations in stock prices. In our example, we will smooth out COVID-19 case reporting data. When plotted, the data, although accurate, is visually erratic due to how and when providers reported cases to government agencies. We're going to simply add a 7-day moving average to the data to reduce noise. To calculate the moving average, we'll need to leverage a window function, a SQL function used to aggregate values based on relationships between rows. Let's see the concept of a window function in action. Take this row, for example. To calculate the moving average, we would need to average the value of this day and the 6 days before it. The same holds true for the next row, and the next. Let's go ahead and add a window function to our physical schema. Ensure that it is set to Spark SQL. Next, I'll copy a bit of SQL, which will select a subset of fields and filter the data down to just North America. After that, I'll add a bit of SQL for doing a 7-day moving average. First, we must set it so we can average the number of new cases. Next, we will order it so the average will take into account the current row and the 6 rows prior to it. Save the MV. Save the changes. And reload the schema. Now we can add our new table into the data manager and set the insight type to line. Drag the date into the grouping tray, drag cases and 7-day average to the measures tray. Now you can see, thanks to the average function, the overall trend is much easier to decipher without excess noise.